In Northwest Tennessee, people in Dyersburg are all too familiar with storms and recent flooding, and now they're saying, here we go again. Dyersburg city leaders say yesterday's storms left behind a lot of damage, such as downed trees and power lines. Earlier this afternoon on WREG at 3, Dyersburg Mayor John Holden talked about how the people of his city remain resilient as they prepare for more flooding.
I mean, we've been through our share of flood events and rain events and tornadoes. Yesterday, I'm sure you're aware of that, was the 19th anniversary of the tornado in 2006, where 16 of our community members lost their lives. It was in the county, but they're part of us as well. So it was a tough day yesterday with that occurred, and then what we went through last night. And but yeah, it's a feeling of deflated sometimes, because you just wonder when it's going to let up. Or 6 weeks ago we had rain, snow, flood, all in the span of about 3 days. But man, we just stay resilient.
You can see why our friends in Dyersburg are feeling a little picked on. The mayor says to escape yesterday's storm, almost 1,700 people sought shelter in the city's 2 safe rooms, and now they're getting ready for more severe weather tonight.